Hello, it's a random Tuesday and I am going to go to a cafe called Noir. Apparently it's like a work-friendly cafe. It looks really cool and rustic and like it's got like a underground bit. And it's on the little island in Paris next to the Notre Dame. Like there's an island next to the island of Notre Dame, if that makes any sense to anyone. So that's where I'm heading just now to do like maybe an hour of work. And then I will be done for the day and gonna come home, do a workout, cook dinner. Yeah. Hello, yes, I'm still in this hoodie. It's probably a different day, but it's cold in Paris and I only brought one jumper. So here we are. Anyway, I'm still working. It's 6:15, but Callum is coming tomorrow and he's staying for 5 days, so I'm taking time off and I need to get stuff done. So we're still working, but I'm gonna stop working in a minute and start cleaning. Yay! Because this is a tiny flat and 2 people is gonna be a squeeze. So we're gonna make it clean and tidy. And I bought these from Aldi. I don't know what they are. I said something along the lines of Ferrero Rocher, so I thought I would enjoy. It's quite junky, but I'm gonna have this to give me some energy to hoover and clean and finally finish my work. Wow. He's big. It tastes very much like a Ferrero Rocher. That was a chunky guy. I'm gonna eat it all. My diet has actually been horrendous since I've been here, and I'm so aware of it. I've just been running so much. I went for an 8k run today, and I went for a 5k run yesterday morning, and I really do need to keep an eye on this because if I run too much, I'm going to injure myself, and I have a habit of doing that. So anyway, pointless update. I'm going to finish my work, and then I'm going to clean. And then maybe I'm going to paint, because I would really like to. The sun has finally come out. It has been pouring with rain all day. I went for a run in the rain, and now the sun comes out. Quite rude, if I'm honest. But anyway, yeah, let's get prepped, and then the rest of this video is going to be gorgeous Parisian content where I'm going to tick off all of the sites. I haven't seen the Eiffel Tower sparkle yet, so that's a key one. Basically, I'm going to tick off everything that's left to do on my bucket list, which is quite a few things to be fair. And then there's quite a few recommendations that I've saved on TikTok. TikTok has been very good coming through with all the Paris recommendations. Like the cafes that I've been to have been like insane, and the co-working spaces, yeah, has been really good. So I've saved a bunch of them, I've booked some things for us. It's going to be a lovely little break, basically, and then I leave next week, which has come around so quickly, and I'm really quite sad about it. I could live here. I didn't think I would like Paris as much as I do, so that's good, but also unfortunate, because there's no way I could afford to live here. But for now, it's fun, isn't it? And that's the main thing. I had a few days with Callum, he was here visiting, and that was lovely. So I hope you enjoyed the little montage of what we got up to. It's kind of annoying that he came at this point because I'm now leaving in 3 days and there were so many things I saw that I now want to try, but I don't have the time to try. But we're going to try and pack some of it in because I also need to work. But anyway, it was lovely, and today's Wednesday and I leave on Friday morning. So the markets are on Wednesday mornings. So I'm going to go there today and pick up the last few bits of food that I need and also some olives for my family to bring them back, because I think that would be nice. Then the rest of today I'm just going to work as much as possible and go for a run. So not very exciting, but tomorrow I am going to Musée de l'Orangerie, and then I'm meeting my friend. We're going to a dessert place, a Korean dessert place I think, or is it a Japanese dessert place? I'm not sure, but it's called Plus 82 Paris and I think it's in the 5th. And that looked really cool and that was one of the places I want to try. So I'm going to go there tomorrow and also hopefully pick up some designer earrings I had my eye on yesterday and a few other bits and pieces. But for today, let's go to the market and get the last few food bits in. Hello, me again. I've been on my run, had my lunch, I've finished most of my work for today, and I was just going to stay in all day, as I said, apart from going on my run, but I'm almost there with work. It's like 3 PM, and like I'm only in Paris once, you know? Well, not necessarily once, but I'm probably not going to come here for like a whole month again. So I think I'm going to go and do the shopping bits and pieces I was going to do today instead, because tomorrow might be a bit of a full-on day at work. So yeah, we're gonna go to a place called Fleux, F-L-E-U-X, which is like a funky like homeware shop to get some birthday cards and maybe a wedding gift and maybe Christmas presents too. And then there's a frozen yogurt place I want to go and get frozen yogurt because I miss frozen yogurt. There used to be a froyo place in Edinburgh, so I've not seen frozen yogurt in Scotland for a while. And it's 26 degrees, so perfect day for it. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. I'll probably only be out for like an hour and a half and then I'm going to come back, cook some food. Oh, I also want to find a summer roll because I love like Asian food and there's none of that where I live. And I'm running out of food for dinner and I couldn't see the summer rolls in the market this morning. And they usually are there at the weekend, but it is Wednesday and there's less markets on a Wednesday. So I'm going to find a summer roll for my dinner, come back, cook that, and then I'm going to clean the flat and get ready to say goodbye in a couple of days so that it is not too overwhelming when the actual time comes. Anyway, I'm not going to put sun cream on, which is a bit risque, but my skin just doesn't enjoy it. I know it doesn't enjoy being sunburned either, but I think I'll be okay with the amount I'm going to be actually outside. But yeah, let's go for a little adventure this afternoon. This is a very interesting dinner of spring roll, summer roll. Don't know what this is, I just had to make it hit €5 so I could pay by card. This is something Moroccan that I bought at the market that has veg in it. Then we got some carrots and the fish sauce for the spring roll. So, very weird, but also very wonderful. Ooh, better turn that off. Because I didn't realise the time. I'm about to go to Musée de l'Orangerie and see Monet's lilies panoramically. I cannot wait, but I had to book a ticket. I don't know if I've said this already, but I did try and go just as a walk-in, but you can't really do that with this place because it's so small and it's so busy. So then I booked a ticket and the only one was the day before I left, which is today at 1 p.m. And the queue was huge anyway, so I'm going like 15 minutes before my desired booking slot to make sure that I get in time, because I'm then going to meet a friend in the afternoon to go to Plus 82 Paris, which is like a Korean dessert restaurant. It looks really cool online. So we are going to the museum just now, and yeah, this is going to be like my last outing in Paris, so going to make the most of it, that's for sure. I've got the podcast downloaded, and I've got my passport with me because you get free entrance if you are under 26 and in the EU. And thankfully, my mum's Irish, so I got an Irish passport. So let's go. There's fashion that's going on here. This is going to be so loud, I'm sorry, but I am just walking to Plus 82 Paris. Went to Musée de l'Orangerie, so good. Monet, amazing. And this walk is like a 50-minute walk, but I was going to get the metro, but it's my last day in Paris. I'm going to walk. I just had a lovely little ice bowl with mango and ice cream. I can't remember what it's actually called. Also a bungyo, like a fish tart thing that was filled with sweet red beans. It was a Korean-based dessert restaurant, really nice, called Plus 82 in Paris. And I went with a Bumble girl that I met here, and that was so lovely. I've met with her 3 times, and like, she is lovely. We were like quite good friends, and now I'm just like maybe never gonna see her again. That's like the hard bit about traveling solo and meeting people, is like you meet them and then that's could be it forever. But anyway, it was a very lovely like last activity in Paris. But I'm gonna go back to work. So much construction. Gonna clean, I'm gonna cook and chill. So I've been living in the 11th, I think, and the closest metro station to me is Nation, which has been really good because it's like the main one, hence why I got stuck in it and I couldn't get out when I first arrived because there's just like so many exits and entrances. But yeah, it has been a very good place to live. There's a lot of French people here, literally no English, which has been nice to hear, you know, because when you go into the centre it's like full tourist. So yeah, that's been really nice. And yeah, let's go get a croissant.